today is your best friend Maya, which I have a scratch here now. Today's your best girl Maya, and Nolan.
Hi guys. Wait, are you actually?
Yes. So this
Drink my Coca Cola.
Open it gently, squirt all over.
and we're eating, and we're gonna be eating chicken.
And guys, we haven't eaten meat. This is mine.
Okay, let's squish it.
Let me show you. Needle. It says needle.
Okay, so you guys might be
Wash your
saying,
hands here first.
wait, I remember Nito in the video Adventure Time. Well, yeah, of course. We got a new Nito. Mine is in the car, by the way.
Can you shake
It's the
it?
same color. Yeah, that's soda. Look, guys.
That is my soda.
Slowly, don't drink too much.
And yeah, guys, remember in our old videos when we kept saying, comment down below, comment back down below. Yeah, I noticed that we put it in the thing made for kids, so that's why you guys can't comment down below. So I wish you guys could comment down below because I would be like really happy. And also, guys, I can also answer your questions. So, guys, I wish I can like give you something where we could see each other, like a lot
You're
of.
not doing everything now in one shit, huh?
No. So if you guys want to see me, then subscribe.
Close it before it falls.
We want and we need play button. Oh, by the way, that's for Daddy.
Yeah, guys, you haven't been liking and subscribing for us.
And guys, it's really sad.
It sounds like you hate our channel.
Yeah.
Hate it.
I'm almost about. No, I almost was about to. I was tearing a little. So, guys, and I just heard that some channels also have like 2 subscribers. Are you guys even subscribing to them?
New channels are coming and you got be nice to them.
And guys, we started 1 year ago, and you guys only give us 9 subscribes.
We were a new channel 1 year ago.
Yes, and like almost 2 years ago,
And
actually.
you guys weren't nice to us.
Like we really want that play button so bad.